Well, student, very good morning to all of you. And you know that the chapter, the fight is running on. And today I am going to explain the chapter from here. So, student, let's start the chapter. I think you have recalled and understand the story that what the fight and what kinds of thing is running between Ranji and his warrior. So student, let's we start. Come this side and fight, he shouted back with equal vigor. Swim across and fight me here, called the other, or perhaps you cannot swim the length of this pool. That means here the challenge is going on that one calls the another to come this side and the another calls the one to come this side. And in this way they are trying to make a trick with each other. But Ranji couldn't have swum the length of the pool of a dozen times without tiring. But Ranji could have swum. That means here narrator expressed the capability of the Ranjis that Ranji has swum the length of the pool the dozen times, and here he would show the warrior his superiority, and here he want to show the superiority than his warriors. So slipped out with his weight, he dived straight into the water, cutting through it like a knife, and surfaced with a hardly the splash, and the warrior's mouth hung open in amazement. And so he jumped into the pool and began to swim like a fish, and splashing water from his hands amazed his opponent. You can dive, explained, and seeing this, his enemy, that means the warrior, exclaimed and said that you can dive. It's easy, said Ranji, treading water, waiting for a further challenge. Can't you dive? And when Ranji gave a very simple answer, that is very easy, and treading water, waiting for a further challenge, he asked, can't you dive? Ranji here shows that he is a master of a swim, and as also he asked to his warriors that you can't swim. No, said the other, I jump straight in, but if you will tell me how, I will make a dive. Then he said that I just dive. I just jump in a straight way. I can't dive like you. Can you tell me how to dive? Then Ranji said that yes, I will make the dive. It is easy, said Ranji. Stand on a rock, stretch your arms, and allow your head to displace your feet. And then Ranji learns him how to make a good dive. And he said that stand on a rock, then up your hands, and your feet go straight, and your head go straight to the feet, and then take a jump from his head side and go straight to the pool and the water. The warrior stood up stiff and straight, stretched out his arms, and threw himself into the water. He landed flat on his belly with a crash that sent two birds screaming out the trees. And his enemy tried to do what Ranji has told him, but what the answer? The answer couldn't get the fully result, and the warrior fall down in the pool from his stomach sides, and it's make a squeak sound like a splash, and the birds after hearing this sound began to fly in the sky from the trees. That means student, you can imagine that what would have happened there. That means when a learner try to learn something, definitely he will do a mistake, and by the mistake he just fall down in a pool from his stomach side, and it's make a splash sound. and obvious it injured him also. The warrior stood up stiff. Ranji resolves into the laughter. Then, after seeing this, Ranji began to laugh. Are you trying to empty pool? He asked. As the warrior came into the surface, spouting water like a small whale, and then spouting water like small whales, the warrior came, or his enemy came from the pool. And when he came from the pool, Ranji asked, "Are you want to empty the pool?" That means you want to splash all the water beyond the pool. Wasn't it good? Asked the boy, evidently proud of his feat. And the boy shows here the mastery of his art and said that, correcting his errors, said that, no, it's not good. See, I will do it again. And then he said to him that, see, I will do it again. And after commanding him, he do again the same thing, so that the warrior could get a proper lesson that how could make a good dive. And the pulling himself upon the rock, he exhausted and the perfect dive. The other boys waited from him to come up, but swimmer underwater, Ranji circled him and came up him from behind. And this time, one more thing happened. A new extra thing has happened. What happened? When he dived into the pool, he not come out from the water immediately. While he began to swim under the water and take a round just behind the warrior. And his warrior was gazing that where he was. But he didn't get that where he was. And he was making a swim inside the water. How did you do that? Asked the astonished youth. Can you swim under water? Asked Ranji. Can't you? That means when the warrior or his enemy asked that, how could you do this? He was astonished. And then Ranji asked in amazement posture that, can't you swim under the water? It's a very easy thing and you can't. No, but I will try it again. No, I will try. Then his warrior said that, no, but I want you to try. Would you tell me? Or would you learn me that how can you swim underwater? The warrior made a tremendous effort to plumb the bottom of the pool, and indeed he thought he had gone right down to his bottom like a duck and remained above the surface. Ranji, however, didn't discourage him. It was not bad, he said. Then the warrior took the same things and he tried to swim underwater, but during this, he just go straight into the deep surface of the water, and it was a worse, but Ranji didn't want to discourage him. And he said it's not bad, but it's not good. बट इट्स नॉट बैड. वो कहता है कि भाई बुरा नहीं था, मतलब बहुत परफेक्ट नहीं था लेकिन बुरा भी नहीं था. दैट मीन्स ही डिडंट वांट टू डिस्करेज हिम. Will you teach me? Asked the enemy. Then enemy again asked that, will you teach me? If you like, I will teach you. Then his enemy said that, if you want, definitely I will teach you. But you must teach me. If you do not teach me, I will beat you. Will you come here every day and teach me? Then the warrior or the enemy said to him that, if you not teach me, then definitely I will kill you. And for this, you have to come here every day and you will have to teach me how to make a good dive or how to swim underwater. Then Ranji said that, if you like, I will teach you. They had pulled themselves out of the water and were sitting side by side on the smooth grey rock. Then both came then he pull his enemies out from the water and sit side by side on the smooth rock, grey rock, and began to talk with each other. And now their attitudes and their behavior has been turned to each other, and they feels a partial friendship between each other. And now the further arguments or further talking is continue here. Then one asked, "My name is Suraj," said the warrior. Then warrior introduced himself by saying that his name is Suraj. "And what's yours?" Then Ranji introduced himself also, said or addressed himself by the name of Ranji. "I'm strong and I'm strong. Am I not?" asked Suraj. Then Suraj asked to the Ranji that "I'm strong, am I not?" Here means tag. Question tag is using here. Blending his arm so that a ball of muscle stood up straight wide of his fleece. Then he just want to show his muscles. Want to show his muscles and in front of the Ranji and said that "I'm not strong. Strong. You are strong," said Ranji. Then Ranji gave a compliment to him that "You are strong. You are a real Pahalwan. You are a real Pahalwan. One day I will be the world's champion wrestler," said Suraj. Then Suraj admitted that he is a Pahalwan and also admitted that he will be the world champion one day. Slapping his thigh and slapping his thigh. Student, you got the word the sense is running here? वो अपने मसल्स को दिखाते हुए कहता है कि देखो ये मेरे मसल्स हैं, स्ट्रॉन्ग शो करता है कि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग हूँ और एक दिन मैं वर्ल्ड चैंपियन बनूंगा। फिर अपने थाई पर स्प्लैश मारता है जैसा कि यूजुअली पहलवान लोग करते हैं। विच शुक द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ द हैंड एंड बाय दिस हिज इम्पैक्ट ऑफ द हैंड विच शुक he looked critically at the Ranji's heart. "You are quite strong yourself," he considered, "but you are too bony. I know you people do not eat enough." Then what the thing is running here? He looked critically at Ranji's hard, thin body. Then he gave a glimpse toward Ranji's hard and thin body. "You are quite strong yourself," and also admitted that you are quite strong yourself, but you are too bony. But your body needs some muscles because he was too bony. उसकी शरीर कैसी थी? बहुत ही दुबली पतली थी, तो वो कहता है कि भाई थोड़ी सी मसल्स की नीड है। "I know you people do not eat enough. You must come and have your food with me." Then also he considered that you people do not eat enough so that your body will grow enough. So you must come and eat with me your food. That means तुम्हें मेरे साथ आना चाहिए, मेरे साथ खाना खाना चाहिए। "I drink 1 seer of milk every day." I drink 1 seer of milk every day. That means he also admitted that and said about his hobby and about his eating food. That he admitted that he take a seer of milk every day. We have go our own cow, and what the milk he takes comes from his own cow. That means pure milk he takes. "By my friend, and I will make you a Pahalwan like me." And also he said that I will make a Pahalwan like you, like me, if you come with me and eat with me then, because I have a lot of source about the nutritions. What we eat, it's fresh and come from my own cows and my own fields. If you teach me dive and swim underwater, I will make you a Pahalwan. Then definitely here a bargaining is running on that. He said to the Ranji that if you teach me how to make a good swim and make a good dive, then definitely I will make you a good Pahalwan like me. And that is fair, isn't it? And it's a good deal. I think it's a good deal. "That is fair," said Ranji. Though he doubted if he was getting the better of an exchange, Suraj put his arm around the younger boy and said, "We are friends now, Yash." And then both are admitted that both become a good friends, both becomes a good friend and behave like a good friend. Suraj put his arms around the younger boy and said that we are now good friends. They looked to each other with honest, unflinching eyes, and in that moment, love and understanding were born. And what, in what way they are gazing to each other, it seems that a good understanding will form between two, and it shows that there is a good friendship is about to form between them, Ranji and Suraj. We are friends, said Ranji, and further Ranji also admitted that we are good friends. The birds has settled again in their branches, and the pool was quiet and limpid in the shade of the sal tree. And then again the peaceful atmosphere is set there. The trees, the birds comes and sit again their branches, and the pool remain still and quite looks quite happy in the shade of sal tree. It's our pool, said Suraj. Then Suraj admitted with a very satisfactory manner that it's not my pool and not your pool, it's our pool. Nobody else can come here without our permission. Who dare? Then also admitted that in spite of you and me, nobody will come here without our permission. Who dare? And also admitted that who dare? किसकी हिम्मत है जो बिना मेरे और तुम्हारे परमिशन के अंदर आ जाएगा? Who dare? Said Ranji, smiling with a knowledge that he had won the day. And who is there? And Ranji smiling that he has won the day. क्योंकि उसे तो वो बात याद आ रही थी ना कि आज की लड़ाई में कौन जीता था? फाइनली रंजी ही तो जीता था. तो रंजी को याद आई कि किसकी हिम्मत है. रंजी तो जानता था, इसलिए बट रंजी उसे बताता नहीं है. Ranji never says that who would dare to come here, because Ranji has dared to come here and won the battle. So student, here the chapter give you a message that without hurting any emotions and without any physical wound or injuries, you can overcome on another by using your mind, as like Ranji. जैसा कि रंजी ने बिना उसको हार्म किए, बिना किसी फर्दर फाइट के वो एक ओवरकम करता है, विक्ट्री करता है उस फाइट में. ठीक इसी तरह हम भी बिना किसी को हार्म किए, बिना किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम पहुंचाए भी हम अपने सभी ऑब्स्टिकल को विंस कर सकते हैं स्टूडेंट. सो स्टूडेंट, इट्स अ मैसेज, इट्स अ लेसन टू यू, एंड आई थिंक and I hope that you got the complete sense and the story of the chapter. So try to write the answer of the given questions, and if you get any problem in any question, then ask me. Definitely I will help you. Okay, thank you.